Ali Kazmi, and we have a sixth member in our group. One is Abbas Ali, second is Hamza Zahi, third Wasaf Ali Abu Zaid, and second Hamza. And our topic is Shifa International Hospital Airport. Shifa International Hospital is basically private hospital inaugurated in 1984, but right now it has become a public limited hospital in 1989. But before the elaboration of my presentation, I would like to offer some social service here because lots of people who is sitting there being tired. So I just want you to take your 30 seconds. If you allow me, sir, can I take a 30 seconds of your class? Can you stand up? You do it. Take a seat. You seem to be fresh everywhere. Now I would like to start my presentation. Source of information is Dr. Kashif Ali. He is my cousin friend and doing job in Shifa International Hospital as an ophthalmology specialist. Next slide. And the second source of information is and he is the Mr. Kashif Ali doctor. As you know that Mr. Wasaf and Ali Abu Zaid. Next slide. And another source of information is Shifa International Library as well, which is very huge for the Shifa International Hospital students as well. They can do study freely without any hesitation as well. And you can see the library of Shifa International Hospital as well. Third. And if it is our group picture, which we take outside of the Shifa International Hospital at the time of visiting. Third. And here is the founder of the Shifa International Hospital, Dr. Zahir Ahmed. He is the main founder of the Shifa International Hospital in Shifa International. When he was sitting in New York, the idea conceived of Shifa International Hospital in 1984, and they called a meeting along with Mr. Qadir, Mr. Zahoor, Dr. Mandur, and Dr. Sabir Ali. But Shifa International Hospital inaugurated in 1984 as a private hospital, but right now it become a public hospital limited as well. But and they have two more branches. One is Faisalabad. The inauguration of Faisalabad branch is 11 August 1989, and the other branch is F11 sector as well. Okay. But Dr. Zahir Ahmed is no more. He is dead. And after the Dr. Zahir Ahmed, the charge taken by the Mr. Qazi as well. He is the right now CEO of the Shifa International Hospital as well. The basic profile of the Shifa International Hospital that I had already discussed with you. Okay. Shifa International Hospital is incorporated in 1987. It's a private limited company as well. It converted into a public limited company in 1989, which is situated in sector Kambal Achet as well. Okay. Next slide. Now I would like to enact my next friend, Mr. Raja Wasaf. Now he is coming.
Excellent environment in their wedding hall. Second is the living hospital. After a separate place for doing prayer, patients or doctors, everybody. When we visit the Shifa International Hospital, that is Friday, and we also pray Juma at the inside the hospital. The third is the free parking facilities. They also have the huge parking area, and after the huge parking area, they also have the excellent facilities, and they give a token and security system.